Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. I will only have like a 10-minute break, so this isn't gonna be a very long video. And I did get the Griffen on here, but not the I have the Phoenix and the Griffen. There's one other game. There's another Game Pass on here. I just can't remember what it's called, but it's cheaper than the Griffen, but I wanted the Griffen first. Yeah. Used to be able to fly like the baby, but only for very short. And they do have a new bird, the nightjar, whatever they'd call it. But I'm gonna check the nightjar out now. I wanna check the female out first, the adult one. Kinda looks like an owl. Now, I do like the way it flies. Wait, even if it glides, does it like, yeah. Now that is really cool. I wanna see the display and everything. The plane is cute. That's adorable. What is the display? That looks funny. Hang on. Coat. Okay. How does it run? It has sound effects when it runs. I like that. Like running on, I'm pretty sure that's with the all birds though, depending on what it's running on. The plane is just adorable. And the display's kind of funny. Now I do want to check something else out about it. The cockatrice is the Game Pass I don't have. No, I don't want to play as that. male ones look cool, like with those feathers sticking out. This is definitely one of the best modeled birds in the game. Oof. There's a flock here. What does the nest look like? I'm guessing this normal. Does the male display? No, it does not. The queen is just adorable. There is another bird I do want to check out, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. The hornbill is kind of weird. Yeah, I don't have very long, so... Now, I do want to check something out. The queen is just weird. It turns its head all the way back like an owl. That is unrealistic. The display is kind of weird. What about the one? The one is like, I love that. Doesn't even one, it jumps. Okay, now I really like the one like that. In my opinion, it's just so funny. There is one other bird that I do want to check out, although I don't have very long, so let me get on it. It's a Pelagonus, which I do know a lot about this bird. It is extinct, and the Argentavis being the largest bird to ever fly, the Pelagonus has the longest wingspan out of any bird to live. Now, I do want to see the emotes of this one. The one! Like, literally, the one. Okay, what about Queen? Okay. And then, like the one is literally so funny. Wings out. Hang on. I'm gonna join this block real quick just to see. Yeah, I always do that. These block. That's gonna be all for today, and